Hello everyone, today I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing on the Intel 10th Gen S series CPUs. This is the Intel kit that I received from Intel with the Z490 mainboard and 10th Gen cores and red box. Here is the package that I received from Intel. The blue box inside contains the two CPUs which I already showed you before. Inside the box you will see two CPUs with Core i9 and Core i5 with gaming happening with Intel fluid. The Core i9, as previously said, it is the 10900K with 10 cores and 20 threads, and the Intel Core i5 10600K is gonna have 6 cores and 12 threads. Here's the main actor, the Core i9 10900K, the highest in the pack. And side by side here we have the Core i9 on the left and the Core i5 on the right. This is the package that contains the Z490 mainboard. This one is from Gigabyte, the Z490 Aorus Master, only second to the Z490 Aorus Extreme and the Extreme water block. So that's it. That's the Intel kit that I received recently, and hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna go more into the details of the CPUs, the review, the benchmark on the next videos.